Guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can upload image using Node.js, and for that I will use a package. The package name is Formidable. So let's see guys how you can upload images. So here is the Visual Studio Code and this is the app.js file, and first of all I have to install a package and the package name is Formidable. So I'll go to the browser and here I will write Formidable and W3 School. So in this W3 School site I will install the package. So here is the first link and I will provide the link in description also, and I will open that. And first of all you can read the document. Here is written and you can see I have to install this Formidable package. So I will copy this installation command and I will go to the Visual Studio Code, and here I will open a terminal, a new terminal, and I will decrease the size of terminal, increase the size of terminal, and just here I will paste this installation command, and it will take some time to install. So now it's complete installed, and after that if I go to the package.json file, so here you can see the Formidable package is installed. So I will close this, and now I will go to the browser again, and here you can see the document is, first of all the first step is create an upload form. So here is the upload form is creating. So res.write, here you can see input type file and input type submit button is creating, and after that parse the upload file. Here it's uploading file URL is creating, and the third is save the file. You can see here. So I will get all the code in third step. So I will copy this third step code from here, and I will simply app.js file I will paste this, and I will show what is the code here, and I will explain that. So first of all, where HTTP require HTTP is to create server. If you didn't watch how to create server, then go to the description, I will provide the link how to create server. So watch this video, and here is the where fs is file read package. Fs means file system, that short form is fs, and if you didn't watch that this video also, so I will provide the link in description. Go to the description and watch these two videos, how to create server in Node.js and how to read file using fs. And here is the HTTP create server to create a server, and the main thing is here is the Formidable package is required. So here is the variable Formidable, and now you can see request.url. URL means when I will go to the browser and open this app.js file, so it will be hit this file upload URL. Okay, and now here is the form, and create a new Formidable object, and the path is old path this, and the new path this. So new path means in which folder you want to upload your image. So I want to upload a uploads folder. So inside this our node project, here just I will create a folder. So I will create folder, and the folder name is uploads. So inside this uploads folder I will upload all the images. So just here I have to change the URL. So dot slash upload slash, so because this is the this uploads files uploads folders URL is this, and now everything is okay. And here is the form is creating. You can see the form action is file upload. So this form action, and here is the URL, you have to write it same. So form action and the URL is same, file upload, and method is post. So I will just write here in capital post, and this is the compulsory, you have to write multi-part form data. And here is the input type file, and name is file upload. So here just everything is fine. So I will change the port number 3000 and comma and parenthesis arrow function. Here just I will pass a message console dot log and the message server is running and semicolon. So now everything is completed, and just here I will run our server node app. So here you can see server is running, and now I'll go to the browser and I'll open a new tab, and here I will write localhost 3000 because I changed here, the port is 3000, I changed here, and now I will refresh this. So here you can see the upload file button and submit button, because here I creating a form, upload file button and submit button. So I will choose a image, so I will choose this image and click submit button. So here you can see it's moved to file upload URL, because the form action is file upload and the URL is file upload, so it's changed the URL file upload, and here you can see file uploaded and moved. So I will go to the Visual Studio Code and refresh, and here I will check uploads folder. You can see it's added this image. You can see I choose that image, and if you want to upload multiple image, so just here add a tag multiple save, and again I have to run the server. So first of all press Ctrl C to close the server, and again I will run node app and refresh, and I will choose multiple image now. So you can see 2 files and click submit button. So you can see it's moved into a file upload URL and file uploaded and moved. So now check this, so refresh, and you can see it's uploaded 2 files, this flowers and this images is uploaded. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in Node.js, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.